Yeah. Headed up to the boardwalk on the Mother Nature Can't Move Me From My Hood tour. Brighton Beach. We don't care about hurricanes here. They go to the park department. Holding down Zone A. Something serious. Look at these goddamn waves. I'm gonna move a little closer in a second.
Yeah, we're holding it down out here. Zone A.
It's looking vicious. This is from the boardwalk too.
We're just on the wood. We haven't gone up close yet. It's madness.
Take a little walk on the beach. Don't mind little sister head. This looks like they don't want us to go there. It's a good thing we're from Brooklyn.
Red tape.
All right. Holding it down, holding it down. It's almost 4 o'clock. Right before they shut off power to everything out here. And this is interesting, man. I'm 6'3". These waves are about the size of my body coming in. And this storm is supposedly about 4 hours away.
4 hours ahead.
Does that make me want to leave? Nope. Mother Nature can't move me from my hood. I repeat, Mother Nature can't move me from my hood. Bunch of crazy ass people out here with us. There we go. Right on the shoreline right now. Well, getting a little close, getting a little close, getting a little close. Everybody hear that? That's the sign of the police coming to kick our ass off the beach. Right over there. Look at Coney Island over there. It's a little choppy. It is what it is. Tell you how much sand is in my mouth right now. I'm enjoying brushing my teeth later.